Hello students. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your public service announcement or whatever video you need to add into your Sway presentation, and then how to turn that presentation into Google Classroom. So first you need to go to Microsoft 365. Mine is already on my dashboard right here, and I can just click on it and it'll take me right to my dashboard. So I'm going to click on Sway. I'm going to open up the Sway that I'm working on. I've already added a video card, but just in case I hadn't, you click on one of your little cards down here where the green plus button appears. You click it and you at the top say Add Media, and then you say Video. Then you're going to come over here to Suggested, and there's a drop-down menu, and you're going to say My Device, which will open your File Explorer. Then you can find wherever your video is saved. I'm just going to use this video as an example, and then you click Open. It takes a little while. At first it'll say, your file is being uploaded for processing. Please keep your Sway open to allow the file to finish. So after you wait and the green bar is progressed, you'll get a new message that says, we're preparing your video for a great viewing experience on any device. This may take a while, but it happens in the background so you can leave Sway and come back later. That means that even though your video is still loading, you can close out Sway and it'll just be there later when it's done processing. So totally fine if we close this out. Now we're going to go to, well, the last thing that you have to do actually before you close it out, if you're all done, is click Share, and you want to make sure it's just anyone with the link can view. I don't need to be able to edit it, so it's totally fine being able to view it. Copy the link. Copied, yay. Now go to Classroom. Here's our assignment, I think. Maybe not. Nope, that's the PSA. Digital Citizenship Project. Add a link, and then Control V for paste, or just right click paste, add link. This will allow me or anyone else, if we're doing presentations, to view your Sway in its complete form, in its viewing form. It's nice if you can write me a comment of like who you worked with, just in case, so that both of you get credit for this project. Then you can just make sure you post your comment and then turn your assignment in, and you're all good to go. So that's how you turn in your assignment with your video. Hope that was helpful and you got your work turned in.